Welcome home. Privacy, space, acreage. This is your place. 4755 Walkabout Creek in Acworth, Georgia has just hit the market. Exploring this space and this property is so much fun with a real wood burning fireplace, open floor plan with a gorgeous updated kitchen. I can't wait to show you more about it. Whether you're having breakfast in the breakfast nook or you carry your meal out to the screened-in porch, the privacy and serenity that comes with a property like this is unmatched. I want to talk about baking and cooking at home. Have you ever rolled out a pie crust of your own? This is an island that would make you proud. Not to mention, you can have friends and family join you. This is a multi-chef kitchen, newly updated, plenty of storage and cabinet space with gorgeous granite countertops throughout. Peaceful and private, this large primary suite, plenty of space to relax after a long day, and it's a split bedroom floor plan, so the rest of the house is separated from the primary, giving you the peace and quiet that you're looking for. You even have access to the screened-in porch right from the primary suite. How would you use this space? Put in a pool, bring your car collection, motorcycles maybe. There's so much room here to do whatever you want. Privacy and space over an acre, it could be all yours. We have a large 23 by 35 extra outbuilding separate from the garage, which has full power and plenty of electric. You can do what you want. Who doesn't love the outdoors? If you're living in Cobb County, Georgia, this is one of the most important things to you, is the privacy, the space, and the natural settings that we enjoy. Not to mention great schools, shopping, and restaurants, and dining, and everything you could want for and still feel like a hometown small community. This is where we are. 4755 Walkabout Creek in Acworth, Georgia. Call me. I'm Deborah Morton with Clareo Real Estate, bringing you the best new listings on the market.